Hi, everyone, and welcome again to another weekly lesson. And this week, our weekly lesson is entitled Indigenous Languages in the UK. Now, the affirmation for today is simply English is very important to me, and I strive to learn it daily. Now, I'd like to just spend a few minutes telling you how to get the best from these weekly lessons and also these daily messages, which you can find in the weekly lesson at teacherjoseph.com. So, first of all, the actual lesson is deliberately ambiguous. I haven't given any kind of hard, fast tasks for you to complete. It really is up to you how you want to use it, but the tools are all there. First of all, you have the audio. You have me reading the weekly lesson. And as I'm always telling you, shadowing to improve your pronunciation, your confidence is very, very important. And I would suggest that that is a good place to start. Listening to me reading the weekly lesson, notice my intonation, my voice going up and down, and try to imitate it. Don't worry about translating anything. Just copy the sounds that you can catch. Try to copy me in the same moment. The next thing you can do is to check for vocabulary and grammar structures that you don't know. The lesson is made for those trying to reach that C1 level. So it's a little bit harder than usual, and you really need to be collecting vocabulary and phrases. When I say than usual, I mean the usual English that you hear. These lessons are always aiming for being a bit more advanced. The last thing you can do is to try to work with the affirmations. Write them down, carry them with you, look at them during the day, and the questions which are underneath the motivations on my weekly lesson, you can use them as writing tools. You can try to write an essay around this particular topic. I hope that's very clear. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. It's your lesson. Try to use it in the way that you want, to try to practice your listening, your speaking, your reading, and your writing. That's it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Take care. Bye.